We are early September. We just had a tropical storm going through, so everything is very wet, but temperatures finally cooled down a bit. It's only 93 today, but enough for me to be able to clean a bit the backyard while the girls play in the pool. So let me turn and take you around just to see what we have, what's left. Honestly, quite a lot of cleanup and not that much yield out of all my seeds. In particular, I'm thinking the survival seeds that I planted. Mixed results here, a lot of mixed results. I'm sure some of the predators and critters around enjoyed it a lot, but me, not that much. So let's go around. All right, I see girls having a good time. So this is our new daisy. So yeah, it's already kind of shady. You see the difference, and look, yeah, pool needs some cleanup here. Just one day. That's the wind. All right, girls, have fun. All right, but yes, among the cleanup I have to do is lifting that one. It is pretty heavy and normally it doesn't fall, but wow, that's actually a big one. Yeah, well, sorry, that one was, wow. It was inside the house. We took it outside because it was just way too tall for inside, but wow. All right, let's start here with my trees. So keep in mind that we spent 3 weeks end of June, early July in France, so all these got very dry. I had a young, an older teenager, I would say a young adult, who came over, recommended to water my plants, and I have to say he doesn't know how to water the plants. In the middle of the summer, he told me, well, I think I watered in too much because your plants don't look too good. I was like, yeah, there's just no way. You're not watering enough. That's why they're not looking good. Water more. But yeah, they're doing okay. And I think I have one grapefruit that is still growing. But yeah, all these are doing okay. I just need to do some cleanup here. So that's a strawberry. You still have strawberry here. But yeah, I need to clean that up. Same here. That's just weeds. In the middle of, see, we still have strawberry growing. Strawberries were hit pretty hard this summer when he was not watering enough. But they survived, so did the fig tree here. They survived, but not producing. So yeah, that one died. The rosemary did not make it through the lack of watering. But the basil is coming back. Basil is pretty resistant, I found out. So that's one of my triple seeds mandarin that's still growing. So that is good. So over there, what do I have? Weeds. All these here are weeds. Here is one of my apple trees that made it survive, not producing but doing good. So that's good. On the other side, we've got just too much wind with that storm. And these ones I had not planted. I bought this year. So, yeah, they're not standing much. I need to put them against something a bit stronger. But I have 2 apple trees not planted that are doing okay. And this one that's just doing wonderful. It did not produce, unfortunately. I thought I had 2 apples starting in there, but I protected them, but at the end, didn't yield much. So what else? Here I had bought 2 apricots, and these ones, when they did not get watered enough in July, they're not dead. They're not dead. They just lost all their. I have another one here. They just lost pretty much all their leaves. And now I need to keep them out. They're not getting enough sun. But they're okay, I guess. I need to plant them. And my boy, What are you doing? What are you doing? So that's one of my pecan, which is doing okay actually. And here are my 2 raised beds that I need to clean up. So in that one, if you can see, besides the weeds, I have some asparagus that is growing, but getting way too many weeds. And I have some blackberries growing. I need to clean that one. I need to clean that one too. This zucchini, see, we still get flowers, but they're not producing anymore. So that all raised beds need to be cleaned up. Here is a peach tree that's doing okay, but it almost actually died, and it restarted from the bottom. As you can see here, it restarted from the bottom. It's growing, but it almost died this winter when the temperature froze pretty much. So here is one of my goji berry. Oh, I am saying that one never produced goji. I have goji this year. Wow, not much, but I see one, and I see oh yes, another one over there. It's finally producing. I have a few gojis. Ooh, that is so cool. Let me try to get them, because that one looks good actually. Little goji, yeah. Look at that. And I got another one here, and I have 2 on that side here. Little gojis, yes, cool. Finally, it took 2 years for that one to produce. I have another goji berry here. That one produced earlier this year, but I don't. Oh yeah, it still has one over there. So they're still producing a bit. Good, 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 good. And here we're getting into my mess. There is no other word. That one needs to be cleaned. What do I have here? I have the basil, which is still doing okay, actually still growing. I gave up on the basil. It started, I could not keep up. I'm hoping to get some seeds actually from that one that I can replant. So that's one of the wonderful basil I got from Wendy, Hardknack Farm, and it smells so good. It is so nice. I love it. So here, actually, fortunately, that one almost died. I had some Italian oregano here. There's not much left, just that tiny piece here. So it's not fully dead, but yeah, it did not do good at all this summer without the water. The one thing that did wonderful is the lemon balm. All this here is lemon balm. So that was part of the survival seeds, and I really did not take care of it. It did not get watered enough, and it did amazing. All this is lemon balm. I already cut half of it to make some tincture and balm, and it just grew back. It's incredible. Might not clean it up actually, that one. We will see. I'm gonna harvest some, definitely. Look at this. I mean, it's just beautiful. Beautiful lemon balm. What did I have here? Oh, I have one red beet. I usually, actually, I like to use the leaves here to mix with my salad. They're really good. And all these here were watermelons. Well, that's a weed here, but besides the weed, all these were watermelon. It did produce a few that were eaten by the critters, and I saw one the other day right there. Where is it? Oh no, it got eaten too. I can't believe it. Oh, it was too small for me to harvest. I did not harvest it, and look. I mean, seriously, I cannot grow anything. I mean, they're first, always first. Look at the size of that watermelon. It was too small, but they got to it. They got to it. Hi. And all these tomatoes here, they didn't yield much. All of them got bugs or critters. I need to clean all this. I have not maintained. Needs to be cleaned up. And here, with all the wind we had, this here is, look at that. It is aubergine. How do you say? Eggplant. Eggplant. It's still flowering, beautiful, but it got hit a bit by the wind with the storm. But yeah, that one I'm just the watermelon, I'm disappointed. I was actually hoping to harvest it with you guys today. And look at my green pepper, eaten as well. Everything gets eaten. It's very discouraging. So all these pretty much did not yield anything besides the lemon balm and the basil. So the herbs, wonderful, because the critters do not eat them. So I get to enjoy basil, I got to enjoy lemon balm. The herbs are wonderful, but as soon as you produce some kind of fruit or vegetable, I mean, you need to harvest them when they're green, not fully grown, and hope you'll be the first one to catch it. Not easy at all. So I need to clean it pretty much here. Clean the whole thing. I don't think I'm gonna have any eggplant. Also, it's still flowering, but it got hit here by the storm. So I need to clean. I don't want any more critters here. I need to get rid of that half open watermelon, the pepper, and just yeah, I'm gonna put it to rest for the winter. I have to say, with such a bad luck, it doesn't make me want to try again in the fall. I might just do herbs only next year, just herbs. That is it. Given the result of the lemon balms, put more herbs. Salad maybe. They might not eat the salad. I don't know. Spinach. I need to try spinach. No, 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 no. Go back. No, don't get me wet. Come on. No, no, no. But yeah, I'm hoping to get some fruits next year. That is really the one thing. But yes, some work ahead here, cleaning this all up. Yeah, that one is a bit too messy, and I don't like the blackberry. It's I need to get gloves here. Put gloves on and get to work. Oh, are you done with Daisy?
No.
Oh, you're chasing each other?
Yeah, me and Shine.
Oh, you and Shine?
Yeah.
My poor boy. He's
getting
chasing you with the with a water gun. Yeah, poor dog. Poor dog. Yes. Push her in the pool, Shine. Yes, I know, my boy. You did not sign up for that. No, I know. Oi. Oh, you need to re-ammo. Okay, re-ammo. Go and hide over there. Go and hide. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.